Okay, so we are currently out on the Belgori Expressway. This is the Belgori Expressway, as we can see. Be careful of the road. On the expressway, this is an expressway that goes south. Yes, this road leads to south. This is my car. I am driving this car. And we have, for landmarks, we have Kendriya Vihar, our first landmark. And Idea 3G, and we are also accompanied by famous celebrity Disha Patani. Please get the camera on her. That's Disha Patani. Okay, so let's see where this journey goes if we reach Shimlipal on time. So we are continuing the rest of the journey on Belgori Expressway. Dinner খেয়ে নিয়েছি. We've had our dinner at Sonar Bangla, show the restaurant. The dinner wasn't that good. It was normal dinner. We could have eaten over there, Shere Punjab, but you know, budget saving. Bengali families are very famous in. They're very famous in budget saving. So we had our dinner, breakfast safely, and we continue to move on that way. On this highway. This is a highway, and we will continue to move on to Shimlipal. First we'll reach Kolaghat in a few hours, and that will take. Yeah. Oh yeah, we are in Kolaghat. Delete. Aranya Niwas is very close, as you can see by those mountains over there. Okay, not mountains, hills. Can't see them now.
I can't see them.
They're over there. You can see in the horizon. Hills. If you can't see them, just imagine they are there, okay? Just imagine they are. Believe me. There are hills over there. So in just about 20 minutes, we'll reach Aranya Niwas. See you then. So we are at the Shimlipal National Reserve. Look over there. That's the entry point for the Shimlipal Natural Reserve. We are also joined by two special guests, Tommy and Ricky.
Bruh.
Hi guys.
Did you literally just name them right now?
Tommy and Ricky. And these are not our guides, but there will be real guides soon. They are very good guides. Please hire them. And we are also joined by Vicky over there. Vicky and Dicky.
Vicky is running.
Mom, Ruby, and we'll be entering the park soon. So let's continue fast. In the Shimlipal forest currently, that's our car over there. We stopped so that we could take a breath of fresh air in this Mutra Visarjan Ghat. Yes, people come here to pee every day. So follow me. I'm not like my friend Harshit. I don't fall. I'm a stable rock climber. Cameraman, you don't need to come.
Your cameraman might fall, okay?
If my cameraman falls, that's my fault. If I fall, that's my fault. And I made it, cameraman.
Cameraman made it easier.
So cameraman, we are at the Mutra Visarjan Ghat over here. It's a very lovely river with Castool over there, and the hills. Look at the hills over there. So basically, in short, Shimlipal forest is beautiful. And moving on to the resort. As you can see, we reached the hotel, and it took us like 7 hours of constant driving. The hotel looks very pleasant inside. More to know soon. Aranya Nivas Hotel. It took us a long while, but we're finally here. And as you can see, it's fabulous. We've got a pool over there. That's our pool. Let's go. Cameraman, don't leave.
Cameraman wants to see the pool.
Cameraman, stop. Can't swim.
Cameraman can swim.
No, we can't use the pool.
Ooh.
And this is the pool, and it's just in front of the forest, as you can see. And as the great poet said, ये मेरा एरिया है और एरिया में कोई भी एंट्रेंस नहीं कर सकता. As you can see, this is the official office house, and those are a bunch of people over there. These are the hotel rooms. They're very nice, as you can see. And this is just the scene. So, more to know on the Aranya Nivas Hotel. So far, it looks great. So we are going to enter the trampoline, guys. It's not.
Which is under 8. Which is for under 8.
I am under it.
He's doing illegal stuff, but we're going to excuse that.
I'm going to perform a flip, even though I can't flip, and I've never been on a trampoline very often.
Oh my God!
I died.
और सकल हंस मेरा में विराजे अरे राम बिना कोई धामे नहीं राम बिना कोई धामे नहीं
Now we're here at Aranya Nivas Watchtower. Cameraman, show how high we are. We're at a great elevated distance. That there is all forest. It's all forest. And if you listen just very carefully, you may hear a jungle bird. We're at a very high peak. This is one of the features of Aranya Nivas. You have a watchtower inside of a resort. There are a lot of sounds and noise, but for now we're hearing no sound at all, except a few birds. There may be anything in this forest. At night we'll return with a flashlight and binoculars if we can see anything. Okay. So we're now going to go ziplining over there. Ayo. Chal Tanditi. Wish me luck. Guys, we are on the rope walking.
I hope the road doesn't tears.
It's not as low as it seems. It may seem low from my perspective. It looks like I'm very high, and the guy over here gave me a pan for
Actually, it's very low, see. Very low.
Going on the tree. The pan doesn't taste so good, but yeah, what I can say about rope climbing, it's quite scary. But at the end, it's very fun as well. Okay, so we just had our first day at Aranya Nivas. So the activity was cycling, doing stuff. Guys, this video is sponsored by Arman and my speaker, of course. Here we have Ricky, Tiki, Tommy, our political discussers. You can't see them, but yeah. Let's continue. Come on, cameraman. Over there we did some rope climbing. Now we're walking on this road, and here we see how we have a watchtower. This watchtower can be used to see animals and stuff. And the thing is that on this side it's just plain forest, nothing else. Just plain forest. And as you can hear the animals just on the other side. There are a lot of species of exotic birds which cannot be seen in common day life, and I plan to capture at least one of them on film. Let's see about it tomorrow.